Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn Arabic counting and its ordinal numbers. In Arabic, one is wahidun. Its masculine ordinal is al-awwalu and feminine ordinal is al-ula. The next number is ithnanun. Its masculine ordinal is الثاني and feminine ordinal is الثانية. The next number is ثلاثة. Its masculine ordinal is الثالث and feminine ordinal is الثالثة. The next number is أربعة. Its masculine ordinal is الرابع and feminine ordinal is arabi'ah. The next number is khamsatun. Its masculine ordinal is al-khamis and its feminine ordinal is al-khamisah. The next number is sittatun. Its masculine ordinal is as-sadis and its feminine ordinal is as-sadisah. The next number is sab'atun. Its masculine ordinal is as-sabi' and its feminine ordinal is as-sabi'ah. The next number is thamaniyah. Its masculine ordinal is al-thamin and its feminine ordinal is al-thaminah. The next number is tis'ah. Its masculine ordinal is at-tasi' and its feminine ordinal is at-tasi'ah. The last one is ashara. Its masculine ordinal is al-ashir and its feminine ordinal is al-ashirah. This video ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.